Okay, we got a unboxing today, and I kind of know what this is, but I'm not really sure. I'm hoping it is what it is, so let's find out if it is what it is. I've never had anything shipped to me like this, so we'll just kind of see. Apparently my knife is pretty dull. Okay. Well, that writing looks familiar. Oh, nice. So I'm pretty excited to get this. I've been waiting a while for this. Oh. Absolutely fantastic. Absolutely fantastic. So this is the brand new BluDento B2. Bluetooth receiver and DAC. So, very nice. Now, as you guys know, possibly that I have had BluDento, let's see, the BLT HD, and I like it a lot. I really like it a lot. But this is the new version with the cool screen on it and everything. And yep, this is great. USB in. Here is our receiving antenna. Optical out, coaxial out, analog out, with a really neat screen. And let's see what it comes with. Oh, I'm excited to review this, guys. Very excited. Oh, that's nice. Terrible light in here today. Sorry, but anyway. Okay, so here is our USB-C. Love USB-C. Love it, love it, love it. Male-to-male RCA plug. I'm going to say that's about 2.5 feet or so. Auxiliary, or what I call it's a 3.5 millimeter stereo jack to RCA. One thing I like about companies that do this, when they have the auxiliary jack plug on the back, it's almost never the proper 2 volts output. And so whenever you see RCA jacks on the back, I instantly know that that's going to be a little bit more serious piece of gear. It's just the way it is. It's not 100% of the time, but I don't like seeing just auxiliary plugs in and out as a whole for a serious piece. This is a serious receiver, so this is proper. I'm very excited. Comes with a optical cord and the manual, and just like the last BluDento manual. Oh, I'm excited here, guys. Let's see. Power plug, USB, 5 volt DC. Very good, very good. And then, of course, you can pair 2 phones into it. You can't do it at the same time. But I actually do that. I don't know that too many people do. It's not really a big deal. But I like doing it in testing because I like to go back and forth and check if they're glitchy or anything like that with Android and iOS. And really, anymore, we don't really have problems like that. But that's kind of a cool thing. Let's see here. Bluetooth version 5.1. I'm sorry, this is sideways, guys. Bluetooth version 5.1, aptX HD, aptX, aptX, low latency, aptX HD, SBC, AAC for you Apple guys, MP3, FLAC, and TFF. Inputs Bluetooth, output stereo analog RCA. Let's see here if it gives me output voltage. This is what I'm talking about. See, 2.1 volts RMS. And this is a really important thing because when you plug this into your home receiver, you want this to be the same volume as, say, a CD player or a DVD or something like that. I don't like fiddling around with low output devices, because then you got to crank the volume control up all the way, or you know, I'm sorry, halfway or higher than you normally would. Signal to noise ratio 112 dB, frequency response 10 hertz, 20K. Enclosure is aluminum and ABS. So basically it's aluminum here, okay, and then ABS on the end caps. That is beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to fire this puppy up. Okay, folks, well, listen, I'm going to put this through its paces, and I'm going to start in on this puppy tonight.